Want to cut the additional clicks after every drag and drop? Streamline with Expert Mode for 3ds Max. Once the integration is installed, you'll see a new Expert Mode button in Connector. Open the settings and make it work your way. Decide how assets are merged. Keep them as they are, load them as lightweight proxies, or link them as XREPs for external editing. Placement comes with 3 flexible options. The default drag and place lets you freely position assets with the mouse. Place as saved uses the original coordinates from the file, and place at scene origin is dropping assets at the center of your scene. Decide if you prefer to replace the target object or the selected one, and use the Ctrl+Alt shortcut to swap assets instantly. You can also enable the option to replace all their instances at once. Now let's take a look at materials. With Submaterial ID, you'll be prompted to choose which slot to replace when working with multi-submaterials. Select Object to overwrite all materials on the chosen asset, or if no multi-sub is present, Connector simply applies the new material automatically. Stay focused on creating, while Expert Mode automatically applies your rules for merging and placement. Follow Connector for more tips and updates to boost your 3ds Max workflow.